At a gross level, these 8 to 10 regional private sector banks, including Karur Vysya, City Union, South Indian, Federal, Punjab and Sindh Bank, DCB, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, which has now been taken over by DBS, all of them have also had a very positive movement in both the gross NPA and the net NPA level. So gross NPA levels for the regional private sector banks moved from 4.5% to 2.5%. Net NPAs for the regional private sector banks moved from 2.5% to almost 1%. So what was the net NPA 10 years back is now the gross NPA for these regional private sector banks as a whole. And these banks have 8,000 plus branches at an aggregate level, and these banks require capital to grow further, especially when it comes to investments in their digital infrastructure. And given the attractive entry valuations that these commanded vis-a-vis some of the larger private sector banks, it has now attracted attention from a lot of these foreign players. So we saw RBL Bank, getting investments from Emirates NBD. We saw Federal Bank getting, investments from Blackstone, and so on and so forth. So this is a very positive sign from an Indian context that a lot of investments are being attracted by the once upon a time the forgotten regional private sector banks, and this is only further going to strengthen the banking system as a whole.